In this video, we're going to talk about how you can set up your first flash sale event on your TikTok shop. So under this case, a flash sale is actually creating an urgency to your customer, so in that way you can drive quick sales. This flash sales also includes significant discounts as to entice users to actually check out or buy the product you're promoting. So flash sales has been proven to drive sales increasingly to TikTok Shop. That's why it's a feature for sellers. In order to do this, you first need to head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once we're in there, you first need to head over and see right here this left sidebar. Now onto your left sidebar, you should be able to find right here the option for marketing. Head over and click on this option that we can see right here. Once you've clicked on this will open this window right here. From this case, let's head over and click onto this promotion. So this is our promotional tools and we need to find the flash sale under this option. Now once you're in the promotional tools, you can see right here all of this. You can either create a new promotion, manage the promotion that you currently have, as well as choose right here the stacking rules. From this case, you can explore all promotional tools. So we can find right here the seller flash sale. This particular promotional tool offers limited time deals to incentivize sweep purchases, sell excess stock, or attract new customers. Now, for this case, head over and click on this or just hover to it and click on Create option. Once you have opened the actual creation page, you can find right here the flash sale information. You can input right here the promotion name, like for example, let's name this Flash Sale April. So you can put right here any name that you want to use onto this case. So it requires up to 50 characters and it shouldn't exceed that as well. You can also choose right here display channel. Customers will see the promotion across TikTok, such as in your shop, shopping center, live streams, or more. You can also have this available on your live only. In that way, users should also only be able to activate it if they join your live. So you can also choose creator live if you want to. Now, into this case, you can see right here the start time. You can input right here the actual date and the actual time. Now, you can click on this calendar icon in order to actually change it. Let's head over and click on this. Now, let's choose it from April 14, and then for the time, let's start it around 8 a.m. Let's choose it right here and choose AM. As you can see, it will be set on this case. If it's not set, that means you haven't saved it. So head over and make sure to choose the correct options right here and make sure to click on OK. Now from in there, we just need to set an end time. So this will create a fear of missing out for your flash sale. That way, users should be able to just purchase it because they have a limited time to grab it at this discount. So for this day, we have set the start time for February or April 14. Let's change it for the end time into limited only. So I recommend doing maximum of 1 day, which is April 15 at 8 a.m. But for maximum effect, I actually recommend you to do this on 12 hours interval only. Let's choose this at around April 14. This starts at 8 a.m., so let's end it at 8 p.m. Let's choose right here the correct options and click on PM and click on OK. Now, as you can see, we have created this kind of 12 hours interval window wherein users can actually purchase the product that we have added right here. Now, as for the product that will receive this flash sales, you can see right here the products option. So you can see the discount that apply to either specific products or specific variation. So you can choose product level, which this means that discount will apply to all SKUs, or variation level, which is on the variation itself, like only the black color will be on the flash sale and like. For this case, I'll just choose the product level itself. Now click on the select products. Now if you have added some products right here already, you should be able to select them. So if you haven't added a product yet, you can proceed to add it directly on your TikTok. So let me show you how that's done. Now on the new tab, head over to Seller Center again and click onto the products option right here. Now once you have clicked on this will open right here these options that you can see. Click onto this add products option. Once you have clicked on this should be able to open or create a product listing for this. Click on this add product option and you can list an existing product, upload in bulk, sync with other platforms and links. Once you click on add product, you should be able to add a new product manually through this case as well. So wait for this to actually load. Input right here the main image that you want for your product and enter your product name. Like for example, let's name this neon sign for bedroom. Input right here the category right here. So do take note that the product name should at least be 45 characters. So on this case, enter right here the category. You can also expand suggestions given by TikTok itself. So you can head over and choose that into here as well. From there, you can also add description for this particular product as well as video, sales information, as well as shipping options. So once you have added the product, you can proceed to click on the submit for review option. Now, once this product has been reviewed as well as has been added and approved, you can head back right here into your TikTok shop and select the product onto this case in here as well. Now, once you have selected a product, you can input right here the flash sale requirements, which means that it must be lower than its lowest price from the last 40 days. And once you're done with that, you can proceed to actually agree and publish this right here. Do take note that by publishing this, you're agreeing to TikTok Shop seller promotional tools, terms, and conditions. So head over and click on this, agree and publish onto this case right here. Once you have clicked on that, this will create this particular promotion and it should be able to be added to your account. So just wait for this to continue loading. As soon as your promotion has been created, you can manage it directly to your seller center. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.